Oceans cover more than 70% of the Earth's surface. The deepest ocean on our planet is the Pacific Ocean, and the deepest part of the Pacific is the Mariana Trench, a vast crescent-shaped trough on the ocean floor, which at its deepest reaches down almost 7 miles. That's deep enough to swallow Mount Everest, plus the Burj Khalifa, plus the Eiffel Tower, plus 49 Angels of the North, plus one Great North Museum. That is scarily deep. Surely nothing can actually live down there. Well, let's have a look. It's a 4-hour voyage from the ocean surface to trench floor. The deeper we get, water above our heads pushes down, increasing the pressure. And the light from the sun becomes weaker and weaker, so it gets very cold and very dark. All this makes living down here extremely difficult, but not impossible. Amazingly, some creatures do call this extreme environment home. Creatures such as the Dumbo octopus, the ethereal snailfish, and the supergiant amphipod. Wonderful as these creatures are, there's one species in particular that I'd like to introduce you to, and that creature is Erythrines plasticus, or to its mates, just Plasticus. This small crustacean has become kind of a big deal. Let's talk to one of the scientists responsible for discovering Plasticus and leave these little sea monsters in peace.
Erythrines plasticus is a deep-sea amphipod, and sometimes you might find similar ones on the beach, also known as sandhoppers. Erythrines plasticus lives in the Mariana Trench and loves to eat anything that it can find. I discovered Erythrines plasticus while working in the lab, looking through a lot of different samples, and coming across this one that we had collected back in 2014. We looked at it under the microscope, did some DNA analysis, and found that it was a new species to science. When you discover a new species, you get to give it a name, and this is really exciting. You think about what does it eat, where does it live, what makes it special? Because that name is going to go down in history. So we selected the name Erythrines plasticus for something that we found in its stomach. And very sadly, that was a piece of plastic. And because of that, we decided to give it the name Plasticus to represent how widespread this plastic pollution problem is. The discovery of Erythrines plasticus teaches us that the deep sea isn't this scary place, but there is something scary that's down there, and that's how deep plastic pollution goes. Plastic pollution is everywhere, which is a really sad fact. Our actions on land matter, so we need to be good environmental stewards. So we can do things like picking up trash on the street, participating in a beach cleanup, and stopping using single-use plastics. And if we all do that, then we're gonna help make the world a better place, and our deep ocean even more beautiful than it is.